Hey guys, this is Jenna with Resort TV1, and today we are going to do an unboxing. And our gift today is from Neverland Mercantile, one of our awesome sponsors. So it's neverlandmercantile.com, and they send us a box. So we're going to do an unboxing. So here we go. Hope you enjoy the video. All right, so let's open it up. First thing we see here, is a little card, and I've seen this before, and I meant to read it last time, so I'm going to definitely read it this time. So it says, "Shop, give back. Every fall, Together We Rise reunites hundreds of siblings in foster care at Disneyland. A portion of the proceeds from this purchase will go towards providing foster care children with a magical day they will never forget. Want to know more? Check out togetherwerise.org/DisneyDay." So that's awesome. So if you buy from Neverland Mercantile, they will a portion of the proceeds will go towards Together We Rise. So that's really cool. All right, so let's dig into our box here. Okay, we have a couple little boxes inside the big box. All right, so I'll move this big box out of the way. And we'll check these out. I love their packaging. I love the colors, the blue and the pinks and the purples. Very cool. All right, so let's open this one first. Okay. See what we have. Ooh, all right, so I've seen this on Instagram and I was super excited to see what it looks like in person. So here it is. This is the Gem Mine Jelly. So I'm gonna let you get a close-up of the label there. Gem Mine Jellies. Okay, and I'm gonna open these up. They looked really cool on Instagram. So, oh wow, this is really cool. And they smell amazing. They're fruity, very cool. So I'm gonna let you get a little close-up of that. So it's really cool. They look like gems. They're sparkly. Here, let me hold one up. They're sparkly and different colors. So they're like the Seven Dwarfs mine, the gems that they would find in the mine. So how cool is that? So there's different sizes. There's really little ones and then a little bit bigger ones. And these are soaps. So I can't wait to try these. That's so cool. And yeah, they smell really fruity, so that's really neat. Well, that's awesome. So I'm gonna let you get one more close-up of that. So these are the Gem Mine Jellies, and again, after Seven Dwarfs, the gems that they would find in their mine. So awesome. I love that. All right, so that's our first goodie. Let's check out what's in the next box. Okay, so, ooh, there's two things in here. Very cool. Let's get both of them out. Move that over here. So, ooh, we have Happily Ever After Bath Frosting. So that's like the fireworks at Magic Kingdom, Happily Ever After, which I love. Love those fireworks. So I'll let you check out this label. Okay, so I just noticed there was something on the bottom here. Oh, it gives you directions. Scoop a small amount into your washcloth or loofah and lather away. Sit back, relax, and travel on your sudsy adventure. Rinse, repeat as desired. Very cool, and it gives the ingredients on here too. Yeah, awesome. Okay, I can't wait to smell this. So this is Happily Ever After. I'm gonna open this up. This smells really good. I think it's like a floral scent. I can't quite get it, but I think it's floral, but I love it. Whatever it is, it smells amazing. And I love the colors. It's purple, pink, sparkly, very pretty. It smells amazing. I love it. Yeah, that's awesome. Okay, and let's see what the next one is. And again, this one's Happily Ever After, but ooh, this is body frosting. So this is bath frosting, and this one is body frosting. And I remember them telling me about this, so I'm super excited. So this is like a lotion, body frosting. So there's the label. I can't wait to try this. I love lotion. And it smells very similar to this one, of course, because it's Happily Ever After. But check this out. It's like a light pink color, very pretty. And I'm gonna give it a try. Just get a little bit. Probably don't need a whole lot. Ooh, that's nice. It's very nice. Get your hands all nice, because you know in the winter it's very dry. So this is perfect. And my hands are always dry, so I'm going to use a lot of this. This is awesome. Oh, I'm so excited. They have lotion now. That's awesome, guys. Okay, cool. So this was our unboxing from Neverland Mercantile. We got 3 awesome products from them. And again, they are our awesome sponsors. So let's check them out one more time. So this is the Gem Mine Jellies that I opened first. So these were little gems that were soaps. So I cannot wait to give these a try. And then the next one is our Happily Ever After Bath Frosting. Smelled amazing. And I love the fireworks, the Happily Ever After fireworks. It's hard to say. And then, oh, I'm not gonna open it, I already did. So, and then this one's the Happily Ever After Body Frosting. So this is like the lotion. It makes your hands super soft. So that's really cool. Very cool, well that's awesome. They added 2 new products to their website. And again, it's neverlandmercantile.com. So definitely check them out. And if you use the code ResortTV1, you'll get 15% off your purchase. So that is awesome, guys. So definitely check them out because they support us and we definitely want to support them. Leave us a comment if you've gotten any of the Neverland Mercantile products. Let us know what you think about them. And give us a like and subscribe if you haven't. And keep coming back for more videos. Have a great, big, beautiful tomorrow. Bye-bye.
Now that you've finished watching this video, be sure that you're subscribed so that you can get all of the latest updates. Also, check out some other great videos on our channel. Have a great, big, beautiful tomorrow. Bye-bye.